Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Wonderchef 19 liters OTG or oven toaster griller. So this is a very basic packaging. There is almost no information on this box, so I'm going to open it up and show you what this OTG actually looks like. So this is the actual box that has the OTG in it. This is the Wonderchef Cook with Pride oven toaster griller 19 liters. We have a lot of information on this particular box. Over here it says it comes with two years of warranty, runs on 230 volts. And do we have anything more? A lot of information over here. It tells us what all it has. It has a baking and grilling tray, chromed wire rack, tray handle, 3 control dials, crumb tray. And you can also toast, bake and grill with this particular there you go. Sorry, let me give you a better view. You can toast, bake and grill as well. Anything else do we have? There's some written information on this side. It says bake soft breads and delicious cakes, toast oil-free papas and rotis, grill vegetables, meats and do much more. Stainless steel heating elements, temperature control up to 250 degrees Celsius, that's the highest. Auto shut-off timer function with ready bell, easy to clean crumb tray to collect crumbs that fall off during baking and grilling. Basically, these are all the features that are listed out. And that's more or less all the information on the box. And once again, let me mention, this is a 19 liter OTG. Now let's open this box and show you the OTG. Okay, there are more boxes inside. There's a third box inside. There you go. This is the third box inside the other box. There is no information on this one. Actually, the same information as the others. So I'm just going to open it up and show you the OTG. Hopefully there will be an OTG now, not another box. Okay, yeah, looks promising. Thermocol packing. These are all the components of this particular box. So let me tell you what they are. Let's start with the documents. There's some documents here. This is the warranty card from Wonderchef. There you see that. We also have, this is the instruction manual for this particular OTG, and we also have some product information from Wonderchef. This is the baking and grilling tray that comes with this particular box. It has a more or less a ceramic coating, has a great finish as well. And this is the grilling rack for this particular OTG. You can see this is a grilling rack, and this is the tray handle for this particular OTG. So you can use this, you can hold this tray like so and carry it around when required. When the tray is very hot or when the grill is very hot, you can take it out by using this tray handle. Keep all of them over here. Now let's take a look at the OTG itself. There you go. This is what it looks like. This is a very compact OTG. This is 19 liter OTG. These are the 3 control dials at the front, and this is the ergonomic handle that it comes in with. Also notice that there is tempered glass on top. There is another addition over here. This is basically the crumb tray, a metallic crumb tray that lies right over here. So in order to properly set this up, you will need to put the grill tray somewhere over here, and the baking tray can go right over there. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Wonderchef 19 liters OTG. Thank you for watching.